Thoughts from your neighborhood N-word. Check a real book out though. Feeling like Joe Blow in this motherfucker, man. No cap. No LOL, no smiley face. You know that nigga from the Bay. Like he say. Check a real nigga out though. Hey. We here with another episode of Rick Reviews, man, with your boy. What's happening? Alright. Well, today I just got a package in, right? As you can see. It's unopened. See where it's from. I am currently a new sponsor, my phone's ringing, with a distributor with what is the name of this place? It's HerbaLife. Nutrition, Herbalites. We'll get more into that later on. This is a new thing. I was, when we talked about in a previous video, we talked about how health is wealth, right? Well, it seems that day that I went in to go see my physical therapist, she recommended some products to me. Okay, and that was about a week or so ago, and she recommended I start using some of these products, so I ordered some stuff. She gave me a little sample, and I found out that my wife actually uses a lot of the products already, right? Some good stuff, like you mix it in smoothies and make little mixed drinks and food. It's pretty cool how they have everything set up, right? You can actually instead of seeing like a nutritionist, if you want to get some meal preps and stuff like that, it's a really cool site. All you have to do is, I'm going to put some links and some information on the description of this video. So what you're going to do is go down or scroll down and look for the description. It might see more or something like that, or like a little arrow. You click on it so that you can see more of the page's information, so you can see the links and the information I tag with this video. So you can actually become a preferred member, and you can get take advantage of a lot of these benefits of being a preferred member, and get some of these products. And then the more and more I start to use them, the more and more I get familiar with her. I'm gonna have her talk a little bit more about some of the stuff and the different drinks that she uses, and the mixes with the protein powders and the vitamin drinks and stuff like that. It seems like some really good stuff. It's real tasty, a lot more tasty, I would say, less chalky, like for most like protein powders and vitamin powders and drinks and stuff that you mix and stuff like that. They kind of have like a little bad, like kind of like an aftertaste or whatever. So this doesn't, and I've been mixing it with my cereal. I've been mixing it with like real fruits, throwing different fruits in the blender, and we'll do that and show you guys some recipes. They do have recipes on the site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually walk you guys through the site on another video so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But this package here is because I just became basically like a partner with this company. Like my physical therapist, she's a partner with them, and she sees a little bit of money. This is another way to make some money too, at the same time take care of your health, you know what I mean, and be a part of some healthy products that are actually good stuff. So you know what I mean, that's what I'm doing here, and I'm actually gonna open this box so you guys can see. Grab a knife here so you guys can see. My partner sent me a joke. He sent I'm not even gonna open this. Hey, but he thinks he's funny. He sent this to me. He said, "Bro, since you a real one, my partner, you know what I mean? We've been doing whatever together, my nigga. You know what I mean? Getting it in, you know what I'm saying? Just had to send you a gift, right? But it's really like a gag gift. It's funny as hell, man. It's funny as hell. Maybe I'll do it in another video or something, but all right. Can't get too close to that. We got addresses and stuff in there. Let's crack it open and see what we got in here. Let's put that down for a second. Hold on, you guys. 2 seconds. All right. Well, I'm back. this is what you actually get. I got the $100 pack or whatever. This is pretty much not what you get. It's like the international business setup kit or whatever. So you got a lot of videos. There's actually a video too that I got an email for that I'm actually gonna have to watch. You have to do a test. There's a lot of stuff that comes with it. They actually they're pretty thorough with the way that they handle their business partners and working with you. And this was something I wasn't expecting. If I can open this, bear with me. I might have to set you guys down again for a second. I don't know if you can see me. We'll back that thing up real quick. Okay, looks like I might have to tear this box up. I hate stuff like this. It's like a Rubik's Cube. There it goes, like a Nike shoebox. Look at that. Let you guys get it. Boom! All right. We're here. You've got this. We've got your back. You're amazing. Nothing can stop you. Oh, I love it. I love it. There's nothing you cannot, that's what it says, achieve. There's nothing you cannot achieve. We believe in you. Oh, look at that. Together we can accomplish anything. Oh, I like all of the positive energy these guys bring to this. Oh, look at that. I got a free. Oh, I guess I paid for it. But the beauty about this stuff here, like, it's 100%. You can get your money back with them. Oh, there's more. Oh, that's like Spanish. That's dope. Okay, so little packets, information. Wow, what is all this stuff? Yeah, and then they give me a shirt too? Oh no, this is a bag. HerbaLife nutrition. Okay, they give you a little dope sack, a bag to put your sack in, put your dope in it. You know what I mean? Okay, we got some. This is the $100 international, we'll say, sales pack. Guide to your first 30 days. Oh, look at that. They're pretty cool. They go in. All right. So basically, we're going to get into a lot of different stuff with their products and stuff like that, and the different flavors and stuff that I like. And we actually have, so I'm not going to open them up. I'm not going to open the covers up right now and show you guys, but we're going to get into that real soon. I'm going to make sure my wife's here so she can go through some of the stuff with you, because she's been using some of the products and she absolutely loves it. And when I found out, I was like hysterical. It was funny as hell because, you know, my physical therapist, she's like, you know, telling me about the products and excited about it and whatnot, you know what I mean? And she really likes the stuff. And yeah, so yeah, I look forward to showing you guys this stuff, and hopefully you guys will become either preferred members, so you guys can get like a discount for their products too, and help us. We can make some money, or if you want to make some money with me, I can have my sponsor ID code linked there too. I'll have that there just in case. Anyway, you guys have the option to choose yourself what you want to do or how you want to go about handling it. You know what I mean? And you can become a preferred member, or you can become a distributor like I have become a distributor, and you get discounts and stuff too. But yeah, they got a lot of good products, and the benefit, the thing that really got me was that how in just signing up with them, placing my order and stuff for products and stuff, becoming a preferred member, going through the process of it before I decided to just do a distributor. They actually ask you in-depth questions about yourself to try to find, like, basically customize the right products for you. As far as like the pills with the vitamins, the protein powders, even flavors. Like, they just kind of like ask you questions to try to pinpoint what would fit you and your personality, and based on the questionnaire, and in your diet, and you know, your goals. If you want to lose weight, you want to gain muscle, you want to get lean, you know, those kind of things. So it's kind of dope, and I'm gonna actually go through the site with you guys so you guys can see how it actually works, becoming a preferred member, and I'm excited about it. I'm actually gonna, I'm really, really excited, more excited to share this with one of my cousins, the Golden Gorilla. Make sure you guys go look him up, Golden Gorilla, Royal the Golden Gorilla Zeno. Yeah, go check him out. Subscribe to his page, and he's really like, into that stuff, and that's really going to be the tester, because if he likes it and he feels like it's working for him and it's a good product, then it's a go for sure, especially for bodybuilders and stuff like that, because he's pretty fit and big guy. So we'll see from there. But to the next video, I want you guys to make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're just watching this video, make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the notification button. You know what? I got a video that I'm going to show in a second, and I'll let you guys watch that video and tune in so you know what's up, man. But until then, I guess that's it for now.
Looking at the #1 neighborhood nigga, I'm just a Southside East Lake ass nigga. You can take my word, but you can't take nothing from me. I take a bag of shirts and make it a bag of money. I'm the chief, ho. I won't stop working till my office depot. I'm known for doing shit you never seen before. And if you ain't got my money, it's time to repo. Not on the D-low, nigga, I'm depot. Take your shit in your face like fuck you mean, ho. I am not a wolf hiding behind sheep's clothes. We smoking loud over here, my nigga, you ain't know. This that fall settle push, nigga, drink smoke.